Hey, let's do this, boys. We're getting on the ride. Haunted Mansion, Walt Disney World, Florida. Too scared. Alright, I'm gonna be sneaky here. 1 second. Check out my socks. Oh my god, okay, sure. Alright, hold up. 1 second. Cool, thank you. Walt Disney World, baby. Sensitive. Spoopy. Let him out. Free him. Heard this one. The classic. Get the streamer to think someone's knocking trick. Got it.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, hail of a rat. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
Bring on. I don't know if it's here. Alright, what's next? Ooh, paint. Is he around? Or is that just Disneyland, California? There's a piano player that's like player, and he might be haunted in real life. And then becoming a ghost yourself. I could be super wrong on that. Shrouded in nothing, social law. Boys, boys, boys.
When you hear the sound of a
Whoa! Oh, that's... He's sitting on my head! Wow! Whoop! That was great! Hooray! Hooray! Sweet.